thumbnail.
We need a thumbnail.
Nice. Good thumbnail.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, Freddy.
Okay, it's a first generation Bronco, everybody. Hi, I'm Christopher. Guy behind the camera as always is Jake. Fast Lane Classic Cars.
Right up there.
Isn't that nice? You can never forget.
Look above your head. There's a phone number.
Oh, no, wait. Where'd those numbers come from?
Leave it up there for a sec, write it down, and then look above your head again, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
And if you subscribe and click the bell, you get notified when we make these videos, and then, you know, you don't have to come searching for them. They just pop up on your feed.
On your feed.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's talk about a Bronco.
Okay, 1967 Ford Bronco. Well, it's a kind of a subtle color, bright orange. Really good paint job. 289, freshly restored. It is, of course, a four-wheel drive. It's got a 3-speed on the tree, and it's got a 2-speed transfer case. Manual locking front hubs, 457 final drive ratio. How about that 2-inch lift? 15-inch wheels, 33 by 12.5 R15 VF Goodrich, all terrains. Very, very nice.
Nice tires.
Very nice tires. We're going to keep the top on for this drive today because it's 36.
Yeah, something like that. Very cold.
A little chilly. It's a brand new soft top with tinted windows.
Tom's Tops or something like that, I think is where it came from.
It doesn't say in the write-up, but it should.
Okay.
This has been a frame off. It's restored. New seats, new upholstery.
Oh, the seats, the inside's amazing.
Oh,
look at that.
It's the best part. It really is.
Absolutely.
Got dual exhaust, aluminum radiator. It's just brand new and restored.
And you have the roll bar, but even though you got the roll bar, you still have plenty of room for people back here.
Yep.
Plenty of room. And I like these floor mats too. I don't know what brand they are, but they're almost like, oh, they're like a WeatherTech. Not WeatherTech, but, you know, rubber. Yeah. Good for water and stuff.
Absolutely. And you're going to get this thing into whatever you want. You're going to have a blast in it.
And it's got really nice, the chrome, the bumpers are amazing. Beautiful chrome. The grille looks brand new. The headlight bezels have good chrome on them. The Ford symbols perfectly painted and everything. It's just a good car.
It's a really neat truck. Let's go for a ride.
Let's go for a ride. First, we'll do a startup first.
Let's do a start. Oh, yes. It's a little high up here. Believe you me. Wait till I get in the other side. It's going to be fun.
What, you got the heat on high or something?
I'm trying to.
Temp control. So what I was just messing with was our fan control, temperature, and our defroster is right here as well.
Oh, very nice.
And then you have a throttle, emergency hazards, your chokes on your other side.
Oh, okay.
And what's that button do over there?
That fella?
Lights maybe, or wiper? Oh, you got lights over there and a choke. Oh, that's your washer, that little button.
Oh, no way.
Nice.
It does.
Oh yeah, washer fluid, look at that.
No, probably should do that.
Where are the wipers at? Great question. I ask a lot of good questions.
We'll have to figure that out one day.
We gotta find the wipers.
Are these the wipers?
Of course. These might be the wipers.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it is.
Are they vacuumed?
I think they are vacuumed because I can hear it.
That's what that noise is.
We found them.
But they're for individuals.
Second gear action. Oh, third gear action.
She moves.
Yeah, not bad at all.
Really nice 289.
And again, you got big back seats for real people back here.
Oh, yeah.
And all brand new leather seats. The floor looks bedlinered or something. That looks brand new. Like everything that's in here, all the plastic, all the paint, all the knobs, they just look brand new. Like this was recently restored, because it was.
It is. Frame off restoration. They did a good job.
And you only got one gauge. Well, you got gauges inside your gauge for fuel and temp and whatnot, but
I love having gauges inside my gauges.
I like that.
Multiple gauges is fun.
Third gear action. Nice.
We got a big tractor in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Midwest.
We got to slow down when we do have a tractor. Tractor ahead.
Tractor ahead.
Well, I like this though.
I do too.
The drive's nice. The top is in great condition. Newer, of course. Everything fits nice and tight.
It is.
I like it.
Well,
and it looks like these might be for a fold-down windshield, maybe?
I think it does. I just, you know, it's so damn cold. I'm not going to do all that now.
No, it's too cold. It's too cold for windows down and everything, but they do work. I can crank them. They're cranky.
I like cranky windows.
But I'm going to leave it up because it's cold.
Yeah, it's freezing. That is so weird.
Yeah, that's the wiper up there.
Huh.
We're the same color as this tractor in front of us.
We are, but we're way cooler.
We look like farm equipment.
We do. We look like we're helping them.
I don't think we're going to be able to pass these people, unfortunately.
Well, we don't have free Holays to do so.
No.
It's just not built that way.
The 289 makes good for Holays. It's just in a very, very big off-roader.
Yes, a very fun off-roader. I feel like we can do anything.
This is how you control your four-wheel drive. Obviously, it gets through in the trees. So this, you have low four-wheel drive, neutral, high two-wheel drive, and high four-wheel drive.
Yeah, it's a great truck. Already, I like it.
Oh, it's a great truck.
The color.
And you have an ashtray. In case you want to take up smoking. Oh, I got it.
There you go. I knew you'd get there.
This thing's cool.
Oh, it's a great
The
truck.
Halloween mobile.
It is. It's a big jack-o'-lantern.
Iconic looking truck.
Yeah.
The first-gen Bronco.
First-gen Broncos are, well, I think they're the best. They're really cool. We built one several years, well, a couple years back.
77, yes. This is 10 years older, but
Yes. And it's really good job on the restoration. Hats off to whoever
yeah.
did it.
oh, some frijoles in second gear.
She really wants to move, and she does not like going slow. She's trying to get warm. Well, he's done. He's had enough.
All right, we'll stop for a sec. The tractor guy get ahead. No one behind us.
Oh, good.
Maybe a little bit of a frijole test. It's a little cold today.
She wants to move. She wants to purr.
It shifts smooth.
Very. This is like that 41 Cadillac we have.
Yeah.
It shifts really nice on the tree.
And we got the orange roll cage, or roll bar, to match the exterior. I like that a lot.
I do too. They thought of everything.
I think this thing's cool.
Look at that nice little Caprice.
You got quarter windows you can open for a little bit of airflow if you want. Although we got the heat on right now, and it's actually warming up in here.
I've noticed that, and I'm loving life.
It's nice. The door seals and the window seals are great.
Yeah, you don't hear a lot of wind.
Even with the soft top, you'd think it'd be just noisy as heck in here, but it's not bad.
Nope. It's really nice.
I can hear you just fine.
Well, good. We're not yelling at each other, which is nice.
Not. We're ready to do some flybys?
Yes.
Flybys, not drive-bys?
Exactly.
Your blinker is on, good sir.
It was on. It was. I'm going to let you drive this home. Is this fun? Where's our brake? There's our brake.
Oh, goodness.